Hello and welcome to Grad-Dreams YouTube channel. This is Vaibhavi here and today we are going to talk about study in Switzerland. But before that, if you're someone who's looking to study abroad, don't forget to check out the appointment link in the description box below. Swiss universities are world renowned for their high standards and rigorous education. You will gain a well-respected qualification that will open doors for future opportunities. Compared to other European countries, tuition fees in Switzerland can be surprisingly reasonable, particularly at public universities. Switzerland is a paradise for nature lovers. From the majestic Alps to pristine lakes, you will be surrounded by stunning scenery that provides a perfect backdrop for your studies and a great escape for outdoor activities. Let's have a look at the educational system in Switzerland. So mainly, the institutions in Switzerland are divided into three types. Firstly, that is universities which offer more research and academic programs such as the ETH Zurich and University of Zurich. Second, it is the University of Applied Sciences which offer more practice-oriented programs such as University of Zurich Applied Sciences. Lastly, that is professional schools. These are specialized institutions which offer vocational training. Worried about language of instruction at these universities? Worry not, as courses at these universities are offered in German, French, Italian and English depending on the region and institution. English taught programs are increasingly common at the master's level. Coming to the next section, that is admission process. For students who wish to apply for the bachelor's program, what you will need is a completion of secondary education which is equivalent to Swiss Matura. Second, proof of language proficiency which depends on the language of instruction. And lastly, requirement of any additional specific requirement, for example for technical programs. Students applying to master's program, you will need completion of a recognized bachelor's degree in a related field, language of proficiency depending on the language of instruction, and lastly any additional documentation such as motivation letter or CV. Coming to the next section, that is popular field of study, which includes engineering and technology, business and management, hospitality and culinary arts, life sciences and medicine. Coming to the next section, that is the application process. First, you need to identify suitable programs and universities. Next, you need to collect the required documentation, that is the transcripts, CV and language certificates. Then, you need to fill and submit your applications through the university portals. Now for some universities or for some programs, you may be required to attend or appear for an interview. Once you are done with that, the university will provide you with a decision on your email ID. Now let's have a look at the expenses. Expenses will basically include the tuition fee, the cost of living and the health insurance. The tuition fee will normally range from around 500 CHF to 5000 CHF per year for public universities. For private institutions, it can be more expensive. Cost of living. The estimated monthly living expenses will range from around 1500 CHF to 2000 CHF depending on the city. Health insurance, it is mandatory for international students and it will range from around 300 CHF to 500 CHF per year. Moving on to the next part, that is scholarships and financial aid. Switzerland offers various scholarships to international students and it includes university scholarships, Swiss government scholarships and external scholarships. It is important to note that in order to avail the scholarship, you need to check their eligibility criteria. Coming to the last part, that is student visa and residence permit. If you are an international student, you need to apply for a student visa, and if you're planning to stay for more than 3 months, then you need to apply for the residence permit. Moving on to the last segment of the video, that is post-graduation opportunities. Students can work up to 15 hours a week part-time during their semesters and full-time during their holidays. Job market in Switzerland boosts a strong economy with opportunities in finance, engineering, hospitality and healthcare. So that was it for this video. If you liked our video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. And for more updates, please click on the bell icon.